time for me to leave away from here. I think it's time for me to get a brand new start, 'cause I've had enough of all this stuff. Only thing I'm bringing with me is a broken heart. Don't you say I'm wrong, 'cause I'm already gone. Matter of fact, I've been gone there for quite some time. So here I go, headed on down the road. Don't you worry, everything is gonna be alright. And it's fine with me if you don't say goodbye to me. You don't need to miss me when I'm gone. Rolling down the river, away from here, and I know what a match is fine. Running through the fire, I'm gonna face my fears. Anything to get you off my mind. Oh yeah. You told me once before that you wanted more. Well, go ahead and take all that you can take. Let me be loud and clear. Oh, baby, I'm out of here, and I'm gonna learn from my mistakes. But I'm not a spiteful person. I wish you all the best moving forward in your life. I hope you find somebody, I hope he understands how to love you and treat you right. But I don't wanna meet him, and if I ever see him, oh Lord,